Our team has been working in the office supplies, furniture, and technology department of Amazon, and today we will present our findings through a customer order case analysis based on past order data. The findings in this presentation have been conducted by group members Josh Aldenor, our data analyst, Palin McDonald, our data visualist, Oliver Forreste, our professionalism expert, Nolan Holt, our other professionalism expert, and Chloe Swanstrom, our video content specialist. Today, our agenda consists of an overall data analysis overview, a thorough exploration of our Tableau dashboard, our final regression model including our equation, other relevant findings in our analysis, our recommended next steps for Amazon, and the contact information of each of my team members to follow up for next steps or any additional questions. To begin our data analysis overview, let's first start with what we are trying to find through our statistical testing. Focusing directly on the office supplies, furniture, and technology department, Josh conducted multiple regression models to identify which significant factors impact our profit per items. We determined the variables of our best fit model consisted of our total revenue for each order, discount percents applied to each order, any discount as a dummy variable to indicate whether a discount was offered or not, an interaction term for discount multiplied by technology as a dummy variable to indicate the effects of discount on technology products, an interaction term for discount multiplied by furniture to identify the effects of discount on furniture products, technology as a dummy variable, and lastly, furniture as a dummy variable to identify which category it falls into. Moving on, our Tableau exploration consists of data from 2016 to 2019. To get an overview of each visualization, we first have total revenue, total profit, and total quantity. Also, our revenue and profit subcategory, followed by our trends over time. In each visualization, the year you have selected is in bold, and the previous year is displayed in a light color as comparison. Focusing on the total revenue for 2019 compared to 2018, the orange mark displays the highest revenue of 2019 as $118,000, which is a 48% increase compared to 2018. Then, the blue mark displays the lowest total revenue for 2019 at $20,000, which is a 13% loss to 2018. The same thing goes for total profit and total quantity when looking at the highest and lowest. Also displayed on each is the total increase compared to the previous year. Moving on to revenue and profit by subcategory. Profit is displayed only for 2019 and showcases the profit in orange and our loss in blue for each of the subcategories that are displayed on the left. Then, revenue is compared between 2019 and 2018 and shows each of the subcategories from lowest to highest amount of revenue top to bottom. Finally, revenue and profit trends over time for 2019 are displayed from 0 to 50 weeks, so January to December. The orange indicates when trends were increasing, and blue indicates when it was decreasing, for both of our revenue and profit. So, this is how each of our visualizations work. Also, you can click on the filters icon in the top right to change the year. So, here it is for 2018. Notice that all of our visualizations change. Also, it can be displayed for certain departments, such as only technology, by removing furniture and office supplies. We can also change the location based on regions, states, or cities. So by removing Central and East, we can see what it's like in the South and West. You can also get much more specific with city and states. This pretty much sums up how our Tableau dashboard works. Please feel free to use these interactive dashboards to find further connections on how to optimize profitability within Amazon by looking at certain years, products, or locations. When looking at our final regression model, our R-squared displays that we are 59% of the way towards perfectly predicting profit for Amazon using this model, which is over halfway. Also, our standard error indicates that our predictions of profit are off by an average of $36.07 when using this model, which is a relatively small amount compared to overall profit. Then, here is our regression equation we found to be the best fit that displays each of our variables that you would substitute in, and the corresponding value. Other relevant findings that our team found when conducting our hypothesis tests include Amazon's revenue having a large impact on profit, as for every dollar increase, our profit increases by 8.1 cents. Also, we found that on average, technology products are the most profitable, while furniture products tend to underperform. Next, our discounts can typically increase profit to an extent, but too large of a discount ends up reducing Amazon's overall profitability. Lastly, region and time were not included in our regression equation due to the fact that they were found insignificant, but it could be valuable to add them later as they could have indirect effects. Our recommendation for Amazon enhancing their profitability includes optimizing discount strategies for each of the categories, reassessing strategies for underperforming categories such as furniture, and prioritize high-performing categories such as technology. Here is my team's contact information to follow up with any additional questions or to begin the next steps regarding our recommendation for Amazon to increase profitability. My team and I wanted to thank you so much for listening to our presentation on our findings through the customer order case analysis. Hopefully, Amazon will find our statistical testing helpful regarding factors that increase profit, and we encourage you to take a look at our report for further details.